Good evening, world, and welcome to another edition of Eccentrics. My name's Eccentrics. Please give this video a thumbs up, a like, a comment, and make sure that you smash that subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. So tonight is going to be a very short video on a product that I've always wanted to review. It is the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. So I ask you all, is your lover better than Sex Mascara? I wanted to know. So when I got this product, I immediately applied it. So I have it on my lashes now, and as you can see, there's a lifting and curling effect happening, and you get lots of voluptuous volume with this mascara. You get double the exposure, double the impact, and you also get a lift and curl with it as well. I was actually able to do my bottom lashes without any problems because the brush is an hourglass shape. That's correct, ladies and girls. It's an hourglass shape. It was actually built around the bust, hips, and waist of a woman, of a silver star screen movie star. And that's how they came up with the brush shape. So Too Faced Cosmetics was developed in 1998 by Gerard Blondimo and Jeremy Johnson, if you didn't know that. However, there was an acquisition in 2016 where the limited liability company was actually bought out. Too Faced was bought out by the Estee Lauder Corporation in 2016 for over $1.4 billion, something like that. So once I got my hands on this, I thought I would try it. I'm gonna read you the package so you can actually know exactly what they're saying about it. And as the reviewer and the beauty influencer, what I have to say about it. Is it worth the money? Is it worth the cost? I wanna know. Eccentrics wants to know. So let me tell you, it is ophthalmologist tested, and it is tested for sensitive skin around the eye area, and it's tested for contact lens wearers as well. Woo! Bingo number one, check mark. Also, it says that the award-winning formula creates lashes that are full, defined, and stretched to unbelievable length for intense black, oversized, multi-dimensional lashes. It promises a voluptuous volume after just 3 coats. So this is a multifaceted product, so you can actually keep coating it and coating it and coating it to get the effect that you want. 97% increase and creates a false eyelash look. And I'm not wearing false eyelashes. I just have my own eyelashes on, and I did 3 coats as it told me to do. 100% dramatic volume. I definitely would agree with that I have a 100% dramatic volume. 100% longer lashes. So this literally grips from root to tip off the lashes. And you are able to actually do the bottom lash line very, very easily. So when I opened up the package, I thought the one was going to be smaller, but it was actually bigger. But the formulation is so silk and smoothie, it just glides on, and you can keep gliding it on for multiple applications. And a 93% base to tip curl. So base to tip going from the bottom of the lash line and curling it up. It actually, literally, when I actually put it on, it actually was starting to curl my lashes. So taking it out of the box. So is your lover better than the Sex Mascara? I'd be interesting to know. Better Than Sex Mascara by Too Faced Cosmetics, available at Shoppers Drug Mart beauty boutiques and any fine department store like Sephora or any other fine department store like Saks Fifth Avenue. This is the wand on it. It is hourglass shaped, okay? So when I actually applied it, like so, right from root to tip. And this is still going to actually give more volume as I'm applying it over what I've already applied for a 4th coat. And it gives amazing, almost like, I gotta move my hair out of the way, I'm gonna get a blackest black color that I've ever seen. So instead of wearing false eyelashes, like those crazy curly eyelashes that are out in the market right now that look like, well, we'll just call them, look like something from down under the jeans, so to speak. it just gives such an amazing effect. It's unbelievable. And for the price point, I will pay the money for this mascara. It is better than sex, like the title says, because it gives you a false eyelash look, it gives you lift and curl, and it gives you the effect that it says. So maybe it is better than sex. Who knows? Depends on your sex life. But the name Better Than Sex sells the mascara itself sells it, the formulation sells it as well, the packaging's cool, it does what it says it's supposed to do. I'm impressed, and I don't get impressed by many things. So kudos to Too Faced, kudos to Better Than Sex Mascara, highly recommended as a pro beauty influencer. You need to go and get one today. You need to try it. You will be super impressed. Not recommended for fine, tiny baby lashes. If you have tiny, fine baby lashes, this is not the one for you. If you have medium to larger lashes, then this is a product for you. So like I said, go get Better Than Sex Mascara. It is amazing. I love it now, and I think it's actually going to replace my Lancome Hypnose Mascara, because you know what? I love this. This is cool. This is so exciting. Anyways, I'm Eccentrics. Thanks for joining my channel. Please give this video a thumbs up, a like, and make sure you smash that subscribe button and join my channel. Thanks everyone. Cheers and have a good evening. Tomorrow we'll be back with Wicked Wednesdays. Thanks for joining, and tick tock, time's a ticking. Make sure you apply that mascara in multiple coats, since it's better than sex.